Founded in 1999 on a simple yet clear idea: to work every day with integrity, expertise, and respect, delivering innovative solutions for the vending industry. For us, the relationship with our customers always comes first. We listen carefully, communicate clearly, and support every project step by step, building long-lasting relationships based on transparency and trust. Innovation and quality are part of our DNA and drive our path of growth. That's why we continuously invest in research and development, drawing from hands-on experience while looking to the future with responsibility and passion. Our philosophy takes shape in every detail and every action, from design to production. Thanks to the skills of our people and to know-how developed entirely in-house, each project is managed with care, precision, and constant control. Because for us, nothing is left to chance. Every result is the outcome of method, experience, and passion. Our reach extends across Italy through a commercial and technical network built over time and strengthened by the professionalism and expertise of our partners. Ethics, transparency, and respect for a truly informed and free choice. AM Automatic Machines.